it is very worse condition. It is very difficult to handle.
So coming back, just give an example.
Yeah,
Like,
these are the levels. We
Yeah.
can identify, we can differentiate with if the symptoms are mild, the child is manageable and is able to answer your
But
questions.
what are the examples like for like?
Yeah, we can say it with the performance of child in his all the functional areas. Like in school, he can perform but not very well.
okay.
He have friends but not a good relationship with them. He can play with his siblings but very harsh behavior with them and a lot of you can say conflicts with them. This is a mild level.
Okay.
Usually we do not bother it, like every kid do that. But if ADHD child, we see that he cannot sit properly. When he sit, he'll fidgeting all the time. He'll touch everything. He'll explode everything and he'll break every toy. And he cannot be able to he cannot be able to we cannot take care of all his things and his belonging. He cannot communicate properly about his needs and desires, and he'll just shout and he'll throw tantrums again and again. So this is the example of mild to moderate
Right.
case of ADHD.
And what happens in a severe condition? What could happen in a severe?
Severe is more can say it can we can observe it very easily. The child with jumping and hitting and throwing everything. When he come here, nothing.
It's just everywhere.
He will mess with everything. He can will throw everything on the floor. He will hit you and anyone without any reason.
Right.
And then he will throw tantrums again and again. He'll shout. It is very worse condition. It is very difficult to handle.
So coming back.